Hi, writers. So we're almost done writing our realistic fiction text. Yesterday, you worked on your endings, making your ending tie up your text so it doesn't just stop. So today, you're going to be editing your writing. Editing is really the last thing you do before you publish. So I can edit my writing. And you're going to edit your writing for these three things. I didn't separate them because we've done this several times before, so it's really a reminder. I'm going to edit it for grammar. Does it make sense? Am I using the right words? Like if it was she ran down the street or did she run down the street? I want to make sure that they match and then I'm not leaving off endings of my words. Capitalization. I'm checking for capitalizing words. I know that the word I is always capitalized. You guys have a bad habit of writing I. See, it even automatically does it. Writing I like that. That's a lowercase I when you're talking about I, yourself. Never, 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 never leave it like that. And we also know that names are capitalized. A person's name. Could be a person's name, could be the name of a restaurant, could be the name of a town. It doesn't matter. Names are always, always capitalized. Beginning of sentences are always capitalized. We worked on this all year long in writing and throughout the year. So punctuation. Gotta have punctuation. Gotta have a period, a question mark if it's a question. Your dialogue needs to be punctuated, and I know that Miss Shelton did a lesson with you on that just the other day. So hopefully you can remember that, and we've done that before ourselves. And then there's spelling. I don't expect you to spell every word right, but I expect you to be able to have enough spelling, excuse me, so that we can read it. So let's go to mine. If you typed it up, it gives you a lot of times a red line. That means something's spelled wrong. But in this case, it's showing me that it's spelled wrong, but it's not because it's the name of my character. And if you notice, it's capitalized, and so it's not really spelled wrong. It's just not recognized. So I did capitalize my name, Miss Green, my teacher. She's a person. Her name's capitalized, and even Miss is capitalized. Okay. Another problem you guys have is I see like capital letters in the middle of the sentences somewhere. They can't be there. Why? Because it's not the beginning of a sentence and it's not a name. So there should not be capital letters in the middle of sentences, okay? All right. Over here's my dialogue. I notice I have a quotation mark here. Does anyone need a pencil? Mrs. Green asked, but I didn't put one here. So I just messed up. Oh, and Mrs. Green is spelled wrong. I forgot the R in it. And that kind of gave me a clue that it was spelled wrong. But like I said, Zeffie's not spelled wrong. And G-O is not usually both capitalized, but I want to leave it that way because I wanted it to be like until I say go, like the teacher does, like I might do. All right, so then I'm just going to keep looking through and correcting mistakes that I see throughout my writing before I turn it in. Okay, so then you can edit it and then you'll start publishing. You've already done it here. You just edit it for your publishing. You can turn it in on Box because it's bigger and you might need more room. So, because it's probably you're not going to be able to fit it on Seesaw. Okay, if you did write it, you need to make sure, handwrite it, make sure you take a picture of all of your writing. I would want to be able to read it. I'm excited to get to read what you all have written that you've been working on for these past several weeks, actually. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions about your writing, you can call me. If I'm not available, just send me a text or a message, chat message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, guys. Happy writing.